Good morning, children. Do you know who is he? He is Tenali Raman. He was very famous for his wit and intelligence. You all must have heard of Birbal. He was as popular as Birbal and he was as intelligent as Birbal. So let's know more about him. Tenali Ramakrishna, also known as Pandit Rama, was a poet, scholar, thinker, and a special advisor in the court of Sri Krishna Deva Raya. He was a Telugu poet who hailed from what is now the Andhra Pradesh region, generally known for his wit and humor. He was one of the Ashtadiggajs or the 8 poets at the court of King Krishna Deva Raya, the Vijayanagara emperor. When he was a child, his father was laid to death. So to overcome the depression that Rama faced, his mother Lakshma took him to Vijayanagara, where he was an advisor, and he was a great scholar to children, and he knew many languages that included Kannada, Hindi, Malayalam, Telugu, Marathi and Tamil. He was advisor in court of King Krishna Deva Raya. So children, let's begin with the story. It's a very interesting story regarding him, and the name of the story is Tenali Raman and the Horse Trader. So once it happens that the scene is set in the 16th century, and King Krishna Deva Raya, he was sitting on the throne and his courtiers, they have surrounded him. King Krishna Deva Raya, he was a very famous king and he was very fond of keeping horses. He wanted all sort of horses with him. So he has made beautiful stables for them so that he can keep all breeds of horses with him. So one day what happened, a horse trader who belonged to a foreign country came to King Krishna Deva Raya court. Now in scene 1, what happens? Horse trader, he met the king and he says that he has some beautiful horses and he wants to sell them, and if he wants to buy it, he can show it to them. He got one sample. So King Krishna Deva Raya, he said yes, he would like to see a horse, as he was very fond of horses. Now it's scene 2, children. The horse trader and the king, they went outside the palace. This horse trader showed him the Arabian horse. The king saw the majestic horse standing outside the palace. So Krishna Deva Raya, then he thought that this is the only breed which is not with me. So horse trader, he tried to convince the king that the horse which he got is the very fine horse, and if he takes it, it will surely be an asset for him. Krishna Deva Raya said that yes, of course, he would like to buy. Horse trader says that he will get all the horses, whole group of horses in 2 days, and he need 5,000 gold coins as an advance. So the king pays him 5,000 gold coins as an advance, and the trader promised that he will be back in 2 days. But 2 weeks passes. The horse trader didn't turn up. So the king gets impatient, and to distract himself, he decided to take a walk in the garden. Next in scene 3, children, what happens? Krishna Deva Raya, as he was taking a stroll in the garden, he started talking to himself. He was just muttering to himself that why this person, the horse trader, didn't turn up. So what happens suddenly? Krishnadeva Rai, he sees that Tenali Raman is sitting in a corner and writing something on a piece of a paper. So he asked Tenali Raman that what are you writing? But he doesn't reply. So Krishnadeva Rai says, I command you, look up and tell me what are you writing. Tenali Raman says, Your Majesty, I am making a list of the biggest fools of Vijayanagar kingdom. So Krishnadeva Rai, he got very curious. He said, okay, so now I want to see this list. Let me have a look. Who is the most biggest fool in my kingdom? So Tenali Raman was little reluctant. He says, no, I don't want to show it to you. So Krishnadeva Rai, as he was a king, he commanded that the list should be shown to him. So Tenali Raman quietly hands him the paper, and when he sees the list, he gets really angry. Why? Because on the top of the list it was the emperor's name. He got really furious and asked him that, what do you think? You have written my name on the top. I am the biggest fool here in this kingdom. Tenali Raman very calmly replies to it and says, Your Majesty, you have given 5,000 gold coins to a stranger. Only a fool can do this. No wise man can do such a thing. So Krishnadeva Rai said, oh, that is what is bothering you. And you really think that the trader will not return? And what if he returns? What will you do then? Then Tenali Raman, shamelessly, he says, if he returns, then I will put his name on the top of the list instead of yours. So Krishnadeva Rai apologizes and tells him that in future, whenever I am taking some decision, I will take it very sensibly. And he promised him that he will consult him on all the important matters, whatever he is taking decision on related to the kingdom. So children, we get a lesson from it that whatever decision we are taking in our life, we should take it very wisely. I hope children the story is very clear to you and you all have enjoyed the story. Thank you.